Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dozy token. Now the Dozy token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 10th. Name of the token is DOZY, and that is the ticker symbol as well. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Dozy token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 10th at 9 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on xt.com. So if you are looking to get the Dozy token and you don't have an XT account, you could easily just download XT from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol DOZY, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. It says it's going to be listed exactly in the innovation zone in the memes section under the USDT trading pair. Now, Dozy BRC20 is a unique token on Bitcoin and was introduced by anonymous developer Domo without the need for smart contracts, using a script file for token allocation. Now, their official webpage is dozy.co.in. They also have a ordinalscan.net inscription link where you can find the blockchain browser on this token here. And yeah, so all the information is going to be on their webpage there. So it says introducing Dozy. Dozy is one of the popular BRC20 tokens created May 7th, 2023. Its first transaction was held May 10th, 2023. Now, it says BRC20 Dozy token, everything you need to know. So the emergence of a BRC20 token on the Bitcoin blockchain came as a solution to Bitcoin challenges. It started as a new trend in the cryptocurrency community on March 9th. So there was this guy named Domo. Don't know who he is. Domo. These tokens use a new standard to create interchangeable tokens directly on Bitcoin. Unlike other token standards on EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine blockchains, BRC20 tokens don't rely on smart contracts. Instead, they use script files stored on Bitcoin to assign tokens to individual satoshis, which are the fractions of Bitcoins, the sats. So BRC20 tokens also allow users to deploy, mint, and transfer tokens by embedding a JSON data into ordinal inscriptions. So the BRC20 token standard is known for its exceptional security due to its inherent strength in the Bitcoin blockchain. Its decentralized nature, algorithmic technologies, and proof-of-work consensus mechanism contribute to the overall system security. By leveraging a Bitcoin blockchain, the BRC20 token standard can benefit from those robust security features to protect its integrity. So the future of BRC20 token standard is dependent on the ever-evolving blockchain technology industry, its ever-growing community, and its expanding user base. As with any technology, the future of BRC20 tokens is subject to the dynamics of the blockchain industry and token economy. However, given the current excitement surrounding the BRC20 token standard, it is likely that its usage will increase in the medium term. Despite this potential growth, it's worth noting that BRC20 tokens do not have an established track record, like the counterparts supported by protocols such as ERC20 token standards. Nevertheless, continued innovation and adoption of the BRC20 standard could solidify its position in the market. So the total supply, 21 million tokens were minted within a month. Dozy's limit per mint is 1,000 tokens. Dozy offering users a unique investment opportunity with potential high returns. Dozy is decentralized digital money that is based on a technology called blockchain that uses cryptography to secure financial transactions, and blockchain verifications verify the transfer of assets, which ensures transparency, security, and immutability. So you can, besides xt.com, buy the token from unisat.io/download. It says download the Chrome extension, create a new wallet, and choose a password. Save your seed phrase. Choose Taproot P2TRM860000. You can find all this info at dozy.co.in. Then click receive and copy and paste the address. Send Bitcoin to your wallet via the Bitcoin network and go to the Unisat marketplace at unisat.io/market/BRC20. And then there's a whole bunch of gobbledygook for a link on their webpage that'll take you over to the Dozy token, and that's on dozy.co.in. So, yeah, you can also get this token from the OKX exchange. You can use the Ordinals wallet, you can use the Unisat wallet, or you can also use Magic Eden, it says as well. Now, why would you choose the Dozy token? Well, top-notch security. Due to its decentralized nature and high computational power, Bitcoin is the most secure blockchain for NFTs. The more miners, users that join the Bitcoin network, the more secure the network becomes. Immutability. All ordinal inscriptions are immutable, minimizing fraud and alterations for Bitcoin users. In contrast, Ethereum NFTs have mutable metadata, allowing creators to alter the metadata at any time, as seen in a case of Goblin Town. Evolving ecosystem. So the craze surrounding ordinals and BRC20s has definitely pumped up the interest and innovation of the Bitcoin network. Over time, a vast ecosystem of developers, businesses, miners, users, and more has evolved around Bitcoin. Rapid adoption. Many marketplaces has recognized the benefits of adapting ordinals into their platforms. Once this was accomplished, their data sales volumes increased significantly. And then the migration to the Emblem Vault. With the Emblem Vault, users now trade digital artifacts and BRC20s, just like Ethereum's NFTs. The benefits of migrating to Emblem Vault will ultimately bring more value and attract more people to Bitcoin ordinals. And lastly, the availability of block space in Bitcoin has become scarce recently, leading to excessive high gas fees. So recursion enables users to deliver extremely high quality art and even complex software directly on chain while maintaining lower fees. They have a lot of socials you can check out. Twitter is at Dozy Community. Telegram is at Dozy BRC20. They have a YouTube. Oh, no, they don't have a YouTube. Those aren't available yet. That's basically it. Twitter and Telegram. Check out their webpage, dozy.co.in. And check this token out on xt.com starting on January 10th. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.